Hi, my name is Cullen, and I'm a personal injury attorney in Winter Park, Florida. If you've been looking at any personal injury lawyer websites lately, you've probably seen a section called premises liability. As simple as the term premises liability is, we found that a lot of people don't really understand what a premises liability case is, so I thought I'd spend a few minutes in this video discussing it. Premises liability cases typically involve someone who has been injured by a dangerous condition or dangerous occurrence on somebody else's property. The majority of premises liability claims will involve trip and falls or slip and falls. However, there are a number of other incidents that happen on properties that can also give rise to a premises liability claim that aren't actually trips and falls or slip and falls. For example, we've handled cases for people who where either fixtures or walls have collapsed on them when they're inside a property. Or we've also handled a case for a person who fell into an abandoned septic system in somebody's yard. We've also handled cases where people have fallen into holes left by city maintenance crews and things of that nature. So there's a wide variety of cases that actually would fall under the umbrella of premises liability, which aren't actually trip and fall or slip and fall cases. Premises liability cases always deal with a dangerous condition on someone's property. Many times the property owner is the person that created the condition, and if that's the case, then the property owner has a duty to repair it, or at least to warn any visitors to his property about the dangerous condition. If somebody else created the dangerous condition, or if the dangerous condition just arose spontaneously, a property owner has the duty to regularly inspect or maintain his property so as to discover a dangerous condition that he didn't create, and to either fix it or warn visitors about it. Premises liability cases can really differ from one to the next, and sometimes they're extremely difficult to prevail on. In fact, one of the defenses in almost every premises liability case is that the plaintiff or the injured person should have been watching what they were doing, or should have been paying closer attention to what they were doing. And so this is a very attractive defense argument that we run into and have to combat and defeat in every slip and fall, trip and fall, or premises liability case. If you have any questions about a premises liability case, whether it's a slip and fall case, trip and fall case, or other, please reach out to us. We love to answer questions. All you have to do is call us at 407-254-4901. You can text us at 407-644-4444, or you can even reach us through the Facebook Messenger app.